Hi, this is Motorbud talking about this beautiful ballast that I made for a member of Humboldt County Grow Vets. It's wired at 240 volts. It's got a selectable voltage. That's these 4 wires coming off the input side of the transformer. The choices are 120 volts, 208 volts, 240 volts, or 277 volts. I've taken wire nuts and I've capped off the voltages that I'm not using, and then I've used tape and rubber coating to waterproof them. Then I've got this beautiful 24 microfarad capacitor, which I measured at 24 microfarads, and I took the resistor off it, which makes it so if you unplug it, it will still give you a little shock, so it takes a while to discharge. And then but I hardwired it, so don't worry about it. And then I soldered it to prevent line loss and used rubber coating. So this is now wired at, there's a 240 volt input leg, which is your hot leg, and a common leg that goes to your incoming power. And then an output leg off the capacitor, a common and a hot leg. I've gotten rid of the plug ends, which have different metals, different thermal coefficients. You have anywhere from 5 to 30% line loss on these, and a lot of fires were happening, so I just used Romex connectors, and then wire nuts and waterproof the connection. You really can't have a switchable ballast where you go from 1,000 watt metal halide to 1,000 watt high pressure sodium, because 1,000 watt metal halide runs off 24 microfarad capacitance. 1,000 watt high pressure sodium runs off 26 microfarad capacitance. Also, a 1,000 watt metal halide has a different operating output voltage on the transformer than 1,000 watt high pressure sodium transformer. So this has all been hardwired. You got about anywhere from 10 to 30% less line loss. It's running at 60 hertz. I expect this thing will run really good anywhere from 10 to 20 years without any real problems. I measured bulb strength after 2 months, and it's been really minimal when I hardwire these, whereas when I use a digital ballast that rather than running at 60 hertz runs at 170,000 hertz, the bulb life is dramatically decreased, and it's really kind of a scam for the cost. This was made in America. It's made in the USA by Motorbud Labs, and it's a solid copper transformer, hardwired waterproof terminals. I'm proud of what I did. This is going to a member of Humboldt County Grow Vets, because I want to support this soldier who is disabled and help him out with his medicine. Anyway, these are basically the components on a 1,000 watt metal halide bulb. You got a transformer and a capacitor. That's what it is, and this is going to be installed tomorrow for a proud veteran.